Hello, my name is Bashir Ahmed. I'm having 9 plus years of experience, including 7 plus years of experience with mobile development, including Qt, Symbian, C++, and JTOE. And today I will show you how to utilize the Qt mobility APIs from QML and from the C++. Let's start the presentation. Okay. First of all, the question is what the Qt mobility is. Qt mobility is a cross-platform API to utilize the mobile-specific features, and many of the Qt mobility features are also usable for the desktop environment too. And the Qt mobility API is provided under the same license as the Qt SDK is provided. And the most important point about the Qt mobility is it is provided inbuilt with the Qt SDK. Okay, let's move next. Okay, let's have a little discussion about the Qt mobility APIs. Here are a few APIs. The connectivity API. The connectivity API is used to communicate with the local devices. And the second one is the contacts API. The contacts API is used to get the contact information from the local and remote locations. And the location API is used to get the positioning of the user and the landmark and stuff like that. And the messaging API is used to get the functionality of sending SMS and receiving MMS, etc. And the multimedia API is used to provide an application with the functionality to add the audio and video inside of application. And the system information API is used to get the basic information of the user, such as mobile country code, mobile network code, etc. Okay. And the next step is using the Qt mobility APIs. To use the Qt mobility APIs, there are 3 different ways to use the Qt mobility APIs. The first way is to use the Qt mobility APIs using the Qt C++, and the second way is to use in combination of Qt C++ and the QML, and the third way is to use the QML elements of the Qt mobility, so that we can use. So these are the 3 ways, and here we will take an example of location mobility APIs. So let's see. Okay, before we actually start how to use the mobility APIs, here are the prerequisites of using the mobility APIs. First of all, you have to declare the required header files inside the files, CPU files where you are intending to use the Qt mobility APIs. Secondly, inside the header file where you are using the mobility API, you need to declare a Qt mobility namespace macro. And the third step is to declare all the mobility APIs inside the profile. Okay, this is the Qt C++ code. Here you can see here location data. You have created location data source, and you have initialized the signal, and it will call a position updated slot. And I have started the start update position from the Qt mobility API. Whenever the updates position update method will be called, you can see here I am getting longitude and longitude from assigning it to a string. Okay, so this is the way in combination of QML and Qt. You can see I have used a rectangle QML element, and inside the most area I am using my location dot my position. So this is inside my position method. I have used the previous code that I have shown you in the previous slide. So what will this do? It will get the position and update this text inside this table. Okay. This is our main.cpp class. You can see I am using QML application viewer, and the set context property I am setting a set context property variable, and inside this I am calling the main.qml, and then inside this inside previous slide here, as you see, you can see text one.text. I have used this line of code. So this is the last method to use the Qt mobility APIs using the Qt mobility elements. You can see the source code. I will explain a little bit inside the source code when I will explain the source code of the application. Okay, this is the a sample code that project I have built to make you understand the usage of Qt mobility APIs from the different ways I have just described inside the presentation. You can see here we have three different ways. First of all, starting from the main.cpp, you can see here I have used the QML application viewer, and inside the QML application viewer, this is the important line that I just have shown you inside the PowerPoint presentation as well. I have set a context property my location and created my location manager class. Let's see the my location manager class first. You can see here with the view of header as well, you can see this is my location class. What I am doing here is, as I described inside the PowerPoint presentation, you need to declare a namespace, Qt mobility namespace that I have declared here inside the header file, and please consider this line number 14. You can see here I have declared a property that is getting get my location method, the read property my position, and it is using the my position method. Okay, you can see this method. Okay, let's see the CPP file. You can see this is the constructor. Inside the constructor, what I am doing here, I am just checking the location data source variable. If it is not already created, I am creating here, and using as the connect I am using the signal to, it will call a slot position updated. This method will be called, and let's see the position updated method. We can see here what the method is doing, just getting the location of the user and updating inside the my string variable. So inside the main.cpp we have created this class, and I have set the viewer set main QML file to the main.qml. Let's see the main.qml. Okay, this is the QML file that I have already shown to you inside the PPT file. And what I am doing here is, on the mouse area, on the on-click method, I am calling my location dot my position. What this code will do, it will call the method of get position, and this will return the location of the user. That will be shown in the QML file, just right here. Okay, so this is the first method. We have used the Qt mobility APIs using the Qt C++ and using QML. Okay, let's see the second method, that is purely from the QML elements. Okay, this is the code I have used the position source QML element, and what I'm doing here is getting there are various things. I'm using longitude and latitude. Okay, and you can see I have used a JavaScript method as well to facilitate more. This is a simple code. Okay, let's see the third method. Using the purely from the Qt C++ code. I have designed a simple form here. I've just added a label here and a button. Whenever the get update position method button will be clicked, my position will be updated. Okay, let's see how. You can see here my position screen. This is the form screen of the form that I have just shown you before. You can see here I have set up the app UI and created my location manager class and connect the signal. Whenever the button is clicked, I will call the get location method, the get location slot of the my location method. Okay, what this will do, it will get my position from the location manager. This way you can simply show the position of the user by just clicking a button. This is the third and simplest way to get the location of the user using the Qt Mobility API from Qt C++ code. So this is all about the usage of Qt Mobility APIs from the Qt, QML and from the QML elements. Thank you very much.